Let's talk about something that a lot of businesses struggle with. Does your big, important enterprise system feel more like a roadblock than a runway for growth? It's a super common feeling. But what if there was a better way? A way to actually modernize your business and power what's next without getting totally lost in the technical weeds.
So let's just be honest for a second. That Oracle ERP system you're running, is it truly an asset? Is it pushing your business forward? Or deep down, does it feel more like an anchor, just weighing you down?
And a lot of that frustration often points back to one place, your support partner. Are you just tired of it? Tired of the empty promises, the endless cycle of support tickets, and the constant reactive fixes that never ever seem to get to the root of the problem? It's a huge drain on your team, I know. But what if you could change the game completely? What if you could move past that old, frustrating vendor relationship and build a real, proactive partnership? Let's dive into what that new approach to managing your ERP actually looks like. And this right here, this is the night and day difference. On one side, you've got the old way. You're just stuck in this loop of problem tickets, delays, and constant firefighting. But on the other side is a proactive partnership. We're talking about prevention, optimization, and genuine innovation. It's a huge shift from just reacting to problems to actually getting ahead of them. And look, this isn't just some idea on a slide. It makes a real-world difference. We had a retail customer tell us that Denovo gave them clarity and predictability in their IT operations. Why? Because issues were getting solved before they blew up into major disasters. Now that's the kind of peace of mind that lets you focus on your actual job.
Okay, so that all sounds great, right? But how does Denovo actually deliver on that proactive promise? Well, it all comes down to having a complete set of services, making them a true all-in-one partner for pretty much anything Oracle-related.
And when I say complete, I mean it. Their expertise covers the whole spectrum. We're talking high-level digital transformation consulting, but also the day-to-day, hands-on management of your applications and your infrastructure. And what's really cool is they're not just stuck in the present. They're already working with generative AI and automation to help you unlock a whole new level of efficiency.
And they don't just wing it. They've got this unique process called Launch Perfect. It's their own methodology for designing, implementing, and maintaining solutions. Think of it as a playbook that's built from the ground up to make sure every single project succeeds.
And their expertise is incredibly deep across the entire Oracle world. Whether you're running legacy systems like JD Edwards or eBusiness Suite, or you're on the latest cloud and Fusion apps, they've got the technical chops to support whatever you've got. They've seen it all.
But hey, expertise is one thing, talk is cheap, right? The real test is in the results. So let's look at the actual, tangible impact Denovo has on businesses just like yours.
40%. That's a huge number. That's the average reduction in batch runtimes Denovo gets for its clients. I mean, to put that into perspective, think about what your team could accomplish with hundreds of hours of their time suddenly freed up. That's massive. And results like that don't just happen. They come from having seriously talented people. Just listen to this. A senior director at a real estate firm said a Denovo team member was the most professional and technically skilled JD developer they had worked with in their entire 20-year career. Wow. That says everything about the quality of their team.
And the impact on reliability is just, well, look for yourself. This chart is staggering. Clients go from dealing with a ton of unplanned downtime to basically zero. Having that kind of stability is an absolute game changer for any business, period.
And this isn't a fluke. This level of success is built on a mountain of experience. Denovo has delivered over 2,500 successful Oracle projects. That's an incredible wealth of knowledge they bring to the table every single time.
I think this quote from a VPN Financial Services just perfectly captures the feeling. They said, Denovo is a set it and forget it partner. After struggling with unreliable partners, can you imagine the relief of having that level of trust? It lets you actually focus on your business, knowing your systems are in good hands.
So when you boil it all down, what do you get? Well, on one side, you've got these huge technical wins, better performance, incredible reliability, and scalability for the future. But just as important as the human side, they actually empower your team through knowledge transfer, better workflows, and by actually listening to and solving their pain points.
So when you put all these pieces together, it becomes pretty clear, right? Partnering with a company like Denovo isn't just about a quick fix. It's a real strategic investment in the future of your business. It's about starting that journey to a truly modernized enterprise. And at the end of the day, it really comes down to this simple promise. You get to focus on what you do best, running your business, serving your customers, driving growth. They handle the rest, taking care of all the complex technology that powers your success.
So the real question is, are you ready for a change? Are you ready to stop fighting fires and start building a future for your business that's more resilient, more efficient, and way more innovative? If the answer is yes, you should really learn more about how a truly proactive partnership can help you power what's next.